Alright, welcome everyone. Four more of the original Straight Arm Joes. Got Short Fuse, Zap, Breaker, and Grand Slam. Grand Slam was actually included with a vehicle, I guess you'd call it. It was the HAL High Heavy Artillery Laser. As you can see, he had the same basic form as Flash. I think in later versions they changed his padding to all silver. I think they might reverse the silver and the orange or something, but I know that later on the pads were silver in his. There's, like I say, Breaker. He was the communications officer. He had like a microphone coming off his helmet. I remember that. Zap was the bazooka soldier, and Short Fuse was the mortar soldier. They had he came with a little mortar set, and like I said, well, Breaker and Grand Slam actually has complete hands. I broke the thumbs off of. I still can't remember how. I know you've already seen it. Watched yesterday's video. That the hands and thumbs of these guys. I broke an unreasonable amount of them. These are all. This one Zap's not too bad, but they're all. Well, actually, Grand Slam's. His legs are loose, but the internals on these are sort of not still loose, like like I said, they're what 40 years old now, 84, 85 whenever they first came out, and but these were, I'm pretty sure I got that for a birthday present, and these guys I just bought. I believe it or not, I remember I bought this one. It's a Nashville store service merchandise. I don't know why I remember that's why I bought him, but I remember going out in the car. It was night, and I couldn't play with him, but I could, I couldn't even see the box. So I drove home with I rode home with the, wanting to open it up, but I lost all I would have lost everything, all his pieces if I had. But I think it's just a helmet and the bazooka. I don't think he had any other accessories. This one, the mortar set had a couple of pieces to it, but like I said, they're all pretty simple, pretty similar. Different. I guess they got the same, just different colors, same basic back straps, and that he's like I say, he's just Flash with a different head. I always thought, for some reason, I just found his head to be. He always looked. Into focus. He looks like he has a mean look on his face. I don't know, but I can't even get my. But those were my four more of the original Joes. Like I say, tomorrow is either going to be depending on what Amazon delivers tomorrow, it will be either I may bring out a vehicle, or I'm actually going to probably try and do some repairs on some that went beyond loose. They have actually separated from their legs and hips. But like I say, there's just not much to say about these. I did find a few more weapons and accessories down at the bottom of the tub, but I hadn't had a chance to match them up with who gets what yet. But that being said, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because I got a ton of these toys. This is going to take a while. Bye.